Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my product called Handwriting Hands. This is a picture of a prototype and our slogan is Chicken Scratch is a thing of the past. So to explain Handwriting Hands, it is a robotic glove that guides your hand to picture perfect handwriting via neural Bluetooth connection. The memory foam technology bonds itself to the owner's hand, and it has a 48-hour battery life with a USB charger included. And conveniently, it is absolutely guaranteed to not take over your mind. Some supporters of Handwriting Hands, one of them is Taylor Swift, and she's quoted as saying, "As someone who is constantly writing songs, it's important that I can write quickly and neatly. Handwriting Hands has helped me so much." So as you can see, Handwriting Hands is not only helpful in a school setting, but in many other places as well. With Handwriting Hands, the teacher would never have to ask you to write neater because that just would not be a problem that you have. And you could find yourself as happy as the children in this photo. For only $29.99 plus shipping, order yours today.